Mastering the art of variety. Use of synonyms and antonyms in academic writing. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic within the realm of academic writing, specifically, how to use synonyms and antonyms to avoid repetition. Mastering this skill can help make your writing more varied, engaging, and nuanced. So, let's get started. Synonyms are words with similar meanings. Using them is a clever way to avoid unnecessary repetition. It can also make your text sound more refined and interesting. Here's an example. Let's take the word important. If you're writing an essay and you find that you're using important too often, you could switch things up with synonyms like crucial, significant, or essential. Remember, choosing the right synonym isn't just about finding a word with a similar meaning. It's about finding a word that fits the context. For instance, crucial could be used when the importance is paramount, significant when it's noteworthy, and essential when it's absolutely necessary. On the flip side, we have antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. While they might not be the first tool you reach for when you're trying to avoid repetition, they can be highly effective when used appropriately. Antonyms can be used to highlight contrast or opposition in your arguments. For example, if you're discussing a controversial issue, instead of repeating, "I agree," or "I disagree," you can use phrases like, "I endorse this perspective," and "I oppose this viewpoint." Again, context is king. Make sure the antonym you choose accurately conveys your intended meaning and tone. Now that we've covered the basics of using synonyms and antonyms in your writing, here are a few tips to ensure you use them effectively. 1. Keep it natural. Don't force a synonym or antonym where it doesn't belong. It should fit seamlessly into your sentence. 2. Consider nuances. As we discussed, synonyms and antonyms often carry subtle differences in meaning. Always consider the nuances. 3. Avoid overuse. While synonyms and antonyms can enrich your writing, don't overdo it. It's a delicate balance. 4. Use a thesaurus sparingly. A thesaurus can be a great tool, but be cautious. Not all synonyms or antonyms listed will fit the context of your writing. Always double-check. And that wraps up our video on using synonyms and antonyms to avoid repetition in academic writing. We hope these tips and insights will help you add variety and depth to your work. Remember, language is an art, and you are the artist. Stay curious, keep learning, and always strive to paint your masterpiece. See you in the next video.